Hey everyone, welcome back to Khoa Nguyen Computer. Is your Windows 11 update stuck, failing to install, or showing an error message? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 5 simple solutions that can help fix Windows 11 update problems. Let's get started. First, let's check Windows Update. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates. If an update is available, let Windows download and install it. If the update still fails, don't worry. Let's move on to the next solution. For the second solution, we'll restart some Windows services. Press Windows plus R. Type Services, Scan, press Enter. Find Windows Update. Right-click it and choose Restart. You can also restart Background Intelligent Transfer Service, or BITS, and if available, restart Cryptographic Services as well. After that, close the Services window and try Windows Update again. Now let's use the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Windows will check for common problems and try to fix them automatically. When the process is finished, restart your computer and check for updates again. Now let's use the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, and select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Windows will open the Get Help app. Follow the instructions on the screen and let Windows check for common Windows Update problems. When the process is finished, restart your computer and try checking for updates again. If Windows Update is still not working, let's repair the Windows system image. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Now type this command: DISM Online Cleanup Image RestoreHealth. Press Enter. This process may take several minutes, so be patient and don't close the command prompt window. When it reaches 100%, move to the next step. In the same administrator command prompt window, type SFSE scannow and press Enter. Windows will scan protected system files and attempt to repair corrupted files. This can take some time, so wait until the scan reaches 100%. Microsoft recommends running DISM before SFCE when repairing corrupted Windows system files. Finally, restart your computer, go back to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Hopefully, your Windows 11 update can now download and install normally. And that's it. Those are 5 easy solutions to try when Windows 11 updates are not installing. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Khoa Nguyen Computer for more Windows tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.